Hey beautiful friends, it is Carissa here. I have this cool combo brush. So it is a hair dryer, but also like a curling, styling hairbrush at the same time. This is the base of it. So you have 0, which is off, cooling 1 and 2. And then the top part here actually has 3 different tops that you can add to it. So you have the thinner one, which has like the little bristles and then the harder bristles, and the thicker one, which does as well, but those will make 2 different kinds of effects with your hair. And then this is more like the hair dryer part of it, which is what I would personally use the hair dryer first to get the hair mostly dried, and then use one of these 2 to kind of style your hair. I'm not sure my hair will style very much. It's a very straight and it likes to stay that way, but I will definitely give it a try. After I shower, I will use the blow dryer part of it, and then I'm gonna go for like the bigger one and see if I can make some like kind of waves in my hair with it.